Hello students, today we are going to discuss the different types of technical documents. What is technical documentation? It is the product of technical writing that refers to different documents with product related data and information. Technical documents contain all the details about a technical product that is either under development, that is being made, or already it is ready and in use. It can be printed or online. Technical documentation is created in various industries, for example in engineering, medicine, IT, and so on. Who creates technical documentation? Usually, technical writers create technical documentation with the help of other groups of professionals like SMEs, small and medium enterprises, designers, developers, reviewers. Sometimes product developers themselves create documentation for their own products. Technical writing include instructions, reviews, reports, newsletters, presentations, web pages, brochures, proposals, letters, flyers, graphics, memos, press releases, handbooks, specifications, style guide, agendas, and so on. Let us try to classify the different kinds of technical documents for better understanding. Under the general classification, the first type is called process documents. Process documents describe the development, testing, maintenance, and improvement of systems. And this type of documents are used by managers, engineers, testers, and marketing professionals. These documents contain technical terms and industry-specific jargon. So what we understand is that process documents are meant for technical people like engineers, managers, professionals, marketing professionals. And why it is meant for technical people? Because the documents contain technical terms which common people or consumers cannot understand, and they also contain industry specific jargons. Next kind is user documents. This type of documentation provides customers with the information they need in order to use the product. They contain primarily instructional and explanatory materials. Step-by-step walkthroughs, user guides, troubleshooting documentation may serve as examples. So the first type of document, called the process document, are meant for the technical people, and the second one, user documents, these documents are meant for the customers or the end users. For example, when we buy a washing machine, a television, we always need a guide, user guide, so that we can follow whatever instruction is given in the guide, and after the installation, by following the guide, we can operate the machine. So it will contain all the important information that a customer requires to operate the gadget or the machine. Now let us move to the advanced examples of technical documentation. User guide, you have already understood, technical document intended to assist users. Next comes release notes. These are technical documents distributed with software products that contain bug fixes and added features. So release notes comes with what? With the software products. Next is API document. API means application programming interface. They describe what services an API offers and how to use those services, aiming to cover everything a client would need to know for practical purposes. So here I tried to show you the different types of technical documentation. Step by step, then product feature documentation, troubleshooting, API, SDK and code documentation, marketing documentation, internal development documentation, knowledge base. These are some of the different kinds of technical documents. You have already understood what is API. Now let us move to SDK, Software Development Kit. This is a complete set of APIs that allows you to perform almost any action you would need for creating applications as well as other tools for developing for the platform that it is used for. Next come marketing document. It is a technical document that expresses the customer's wants and needs for the product or services. So based on surveys, marketing documents are created to understand the customer's wants and needs. Technical marketing documentation. Technical writing includes marketing content as well. Examples are white papers, case studies, proposals. Now we come to user required documents, URD. It's a technical document that specifies what users expect the software to be able to do so. The information documented in an URD is meant to spell out exactly what the software must do and become a part of the contractual agreement. A customer cannot demand features that are not in the URD. So only whatever features are mentioned in the user requirement document, that much only the customer can avail. While the developer cannot claim the product ready if it misses an item of the URD. So whatever the developer will claim about the item, everything must be spelled out in the URD. Other examples of advanced technical documents may include architecture and engineering documents, help files, standard operation procedure manuals, installation guides, troubleshooting guides, system configuration guides, code documentation, reference sheets, white papers, frequently answered questions, question and answers for and reference sheets, etc. This much for today. Thank you, students.